Hi friends, it's Mia here. Welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today we're drawing Peppa Pig and a happy hand with 5 friendly fingers. In this video, it's all about fingers and your amazing hand. Grab your crayons and paper, let's draw together. Are you ready? Let's go! And if you love drawing and smart stories, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Let me tell you about your hand while we draw. You have 5 fingers on each hand: thumb, pointer, middle, ring, and pinky. They're like a tiny team that helps you do almost everything. Zip your coat, build blocks, turn pages, and high-five your best friend. The thumb is special. It can touch each finger. That big hug from the thumb helps you hold things tight. Try it later. Thumb to pointer makes a pinch. Thumb to pinky is a big stretch. Your fingers are also great counters. One hand can count to 5, and 2 hands can count to 10. Math magic right in your hands. And your fingertips? They're super feelers. They can tell smooth from rough, cold from warm. Your hand is like a mini superhero squad you can carry everywhere. Now pretend time. Picture this. It's the finger family's picnic day. Thumb is the strong helper. Pointer is the leader. Middle is the tall lookout. Ring is the fancy one with a shiny crown. And pinky is small but speedy. Guess what happens when a windy whoosh blows across their picnic blanket? You won't believe it. Their last cookie starts rolling away. Pointer shouts, "There it goes!" Middle stands tall to spot it. Ring says, "Stay calm, team." Thumb grabs the blanket to keep it from flying, and Pinky says, "I'll get the cookie." Zip! Pinky races across the grass, scoops it up, and everyone cheers. What do you think Pinky did next? Share the cookie or save it for the ride home? If you think that's super brave and kind, give this video a big like. Okay, back to our hand heroes. Fun fact time, but that's not all. I've got more. First secret, your fingerprints are one of a kind. The loops and swirls on your fingertips are unique. No one else has the exact same pattern, not even twins. Fingerprints help you grip things so they don't slip. Next secret, your hand is a busy builder inside. Each hand has 27 little bones. 14 of those are in your fingers. Bones are the hard parts that give you shape and help you bend at the knuckles. Here's a surprising one. Your fingers don't have muscles in them. Whoa! The muscles that move your fingers are mostly in your forearm, and they pull on strings called tendons to wiggle your fingers. It's like your arm is the engine, and your fingers are the dancing puppets. Wiggle, wiggle! Look at your nails for a second. Fingernails protect your fingertips. They help you open tiny tabs, pick up small stickers, and scratch that itchy spot. Keep them trimmed and clean, and they'll keep helping you every day. And hey, clean hands are happy hands. Try the 5-step hand wash promise. 1. Wet. 2. Soap. 3. Scrub, front, back, and between your fingers for 20 seconds. You can sing the Finger Family or ABC song. 4. Rinse. 5. Dry. Easy. Your fingertips are full of tiny sensors that can help you learn about the world. That's why a feather tickles and sand feels scratchy. Safety tip, use your eyes first. Don't touch hot pots, sharp tools, or slamming doors. Ask a grown-up for help. Your helper hands are precious. Want a cool number trick? If you give 1 high five, that's 5. 2 high fives, that's 10. That's a whole set of fingers on both hands. Another neat thing, most people use one hand more for writing and throwing. Many people are right-handed, and many are left-handed, and both are awesome. Your hands can also help you measure. Stretch your thumb and pinky wide. The hand span can measure books or snacks. Handy, right? And keep drawing and coloring with me. The final image will surprise you. I'm adding cheerful details that will make our hand full of personality, just like yours. Soon it will be ready for the biggest, brightest high five. Before we finish, quick review quiz. Which finger helps you point to your favorite toy? Pointer. Which finger is the tallest lookout? Middle. Which finger often wears rings? Ring finger. And who's the tiny but mighty helper? Pinky. And the special helper for gripping? Our awesome thumb. You got it. Amazing! Give yourself a big clap with those talented hands. Today we drew Peppa Pig and a friendly hand with 5 fingers and learned that thumbs help us hold and pinch, fingerprints are unique and help us grip, and clean, safe hands keep us healthy and happy. And if you love smart stories and art, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video on Let's Draw and Learn. See you next time, friends. Bye! High five!